Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be talking about what admins can see on Basecamp. But before we dive into that, let's take a step back and ask ourselves a question. What is Basecamp and why do we use it? Basecamp is a project management software that helps teams collaborate and get work done. It's a great tool for keeping track of tasks, deadlines, and files. And it's also a great way to communicate with your team members. So, if you're an admin on Basecamp, what can you see? Well, the answer to that question depends on your role as an admin. There are different levels of admin permissions, and each level gives you access to different features. Basecamp admins. Basecamp admins have the highest level of permissions. They can see everything in the account, including all projects, tasks, files, and users. They can also add and remove users, create and delete projects, and change project settings. Project owners. Project owners have the second highest level of permissions. They can see and manage everything in their project, including tasks, files, and discussions. They can also add and remove members from their project and change project settings. Project members. Project members have the lowest level of permissions. They can see and manage their own tasks and files, and they can participate in discussions. They can also add and remove comments from tasks. So what does this mean for you as an admin? Well, it means that you have a lot of power and responsibility. You can make sure that everyone is on the same page and that projects are running smoothly. You can also help to troubleshoot problems and provide support to users. Here are a few specific things that admins can do on Basecamp. Manage users, add and remove users, change user roles, and set user permissions. Create and delete projects. Create new projects, delete old projects, and change project settings. Manage tasks. Create and delete tasks, assign tasks to users, and set task deadlines. Manage files. Upload and delete files, share files with other users, and set file permissions. Manage discussions. Create and delete discussions, add and remove comments from discussions, and pin discussions to the top of the page. Manage reports. Generate reports on project activity, user activity, and task completion. Manage integrations. Integrate Basecamp with other tools, such as Slack, Trello, and GitHub. In addition to these features, admins can also access the following tools. The Admin Dashboard. This dashboard gives you an overview of your account, including the number of users, projects, and tasks. The Admin Settings. This page allows you to change account settings, such as the company name and time zone. The Admin Reports. This page allows you to generate reports on project activity, user activity, and task completion. So, how can you use these features to improve your team's productivity? Here are a few tips. Use Basecamp to create a single source of truth for all of your team's work. This will help everyone stay organized and on the same page. Use Basecamp to automate repetitive tasks. This will free up your time so you can focus on more important things. Use Basecamp to communicate with your team members. This will help you to stay connected and ensure that everyone is on the same page. Use Basecamp to track your team's progress. This will help you to identify any potential problems and take steps to address them. Basecamp is a powerful tool that can help you to manage your team and get more done. If you're an admin, you have a lot of power and responsibility to make sure that your team is successful. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.